Welcome back, everyone. Last audio we talk about uh, spirituality and religion, and now it's not a bad idea. We talk about believing in higher power. In spirituality, it focuses on universal energy, nature, and inner self. In religion, it involves belief in a divine power or deities and their role in creation. Practice. Spirituality includes meditation, mindfulness, personal practice, and connecting with nature. Religion, it includes prayer, ritual, worshiping, celebrating, and sacred days. Where these two overlapping, these two can coexist and complement each other. Many people practice both of them. They have several common paths and connection. Many of them practicing the same morality and guideline as a spirituality, such as unity or oneness. We have it in Hinduism, Buddhism, Taoism, Sikhism, Islam, Christianity. Let's talk about law of oneness, law of universe, the law that many major religions they follow that. The law of oneness and interconnectedness. Based on this law, all beings, objects, and total existence are interconnected and unified. Everything is part of a single universal consciousness or energy. Many spiritual, philosophical, and scientific contexts have mentioned this. What is the concept of law of oneness? Let's start with interconnectedness. Everything in the universe interconnected. And actions, thoughts, or intention have a ripple effect across the whole system. Then unity. Despite of the appearance of the separateness, all living being and matter are part of one universal essence or source. Compassion and empathy. Understanding the oneness of all life, encouraging love and compassion, and also understanding of harming others means harming yourself. Collective responsibilities. Since everything is interconnected, what we do or think impact the whole universe. Once again, we should emphasize on living mindful. Let's see or review in spirituality. Hinduism. They believe in Brahman, the ultimate reality, aligned with the law of oneness. In Buddhism, the idea of interconnectedness and non separation of self with whole. Quantum physics. Some explanation about quantum entanglement suggests a scientific parallel to the interconnectedness as described by the law of oneness. Now, what is the core idea of law of oneness? Unity of all things, everything, people, animal, nature, energy is part of a single infinite consciousness source. Interconnectedness. Actions, thoughts, intentions affect not just self but the collective whole. This is why acts of kindness, positivity, or negativity create ripple that influence the whole universe. No true separation. The boundaries we perceive between self and others are illusion created by mind. In reality, all is one. Compassion and responsibilities. Understanding oneness bring love and care for others. Harming others will turn to ourselves and will harm ourselves. Let's review the spiritual practice. Many spiritual practices such as Buddhism, Hinduism, New Age philosophy encourages understanding and experiencing this unity through meditation, mindfulness, and self-awareness. Global perspective is emphasizing on harmony and the fact that our shared existence requires cooperation, empathy, and care for Earth and its inhabitants. The law of oneness reminds us that everything in this universe is connected and also help us to create awareness, love, and respect. Let's see if the law of oneness impacts the collective consciousness. One is increasing unity and harmony, recognizing that all beings are interconnected. This brings sense of unity, reducing division based on race, religion, nationality, and any other differences. People start to understand that their action affect not only themselves but also others. Empathy and compassion. Awareness of interconnectedness makes people to be more sensitive to others. So it will increase act of kindness and support. This empathy is spread throughout the collective consciousness, creating culture of care and mutual understanding. Shift in values and priorities. Societies influenced by the law of oneness tends to value sustainability, equality, and shared well-being over individual gain. People understand the importance of environment and social inequalities because these issues affect everyone collectively. Global awakening. As more people understand the importance of the law of oneness, the collective consciousness becomes more aligned with higher state of awareness. This will bring widespread spiritual awakening, love, peace, and connection. The ripple effect of the positive energy. Thoughts, emotions, and actions aligned with oneness resonate throughout the collective field and creating loop of positivity. For example, meditation or act of kindness by one person can inspire others to do the same. This behavior will amplify and impact collectively. Reduce fear and conflict. To understand the fact that others are not separate from us reduces the fear, competition, and hostility. Collective consciousness shifts from fear and survival to abundance and trust. Problem solving. When people see unified whole, they work equally and willingly to solve global challenges like poverty, climate change, and injustice. Creative solutions benefit all. And what are the challenges in this path? Ego will resist. Ego likes separation. System of division. The system that applies right now. Existing structure built on competition, hierarchy, or favoritism, so many may resist the shift toward unity. And long-term transformation, law of oneness, influence the collective consciousness. Societies will get involved in peaceful coexistence. Individuals prioritize service to greater good. humanity begins to act as a unified organism, able to achieve harmony and progress. The law of oneness effect on collective consciousness and lead to future of human revolution. Thank you for being with me today, and talk to you in the next session. Have a good day. Bye.